Hello everyone and welcome to the Quantphilic. So in this video we'll be dealing with this awesome geometry question. Okay, you can pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so let's start with the solution. So the question is, the diagram given below shows a rectangle with side lengths 8 and 16 and square with side length 10. Three vertices of the square lie on the different sides of rectangle. The area of the region enclosed by both square and rectangle is, okay, so see, this is the rectangle, this is the square. Okay, well, let me shade it. So area enclosed by the rectangle is this particular part, okay, and area by square is this particular part. So common to both is this area. Okay, so we have to find out this particular area. Okay, how can we find out? See, we know the square, right? So we can find out the area of this complete square minus this smaller triangle which is being made. This is the triangle. Okay, so square minus this triangle, if we do, we get the area of the enclosed part. Okay, so let's try finding out the area of this triangle. Okay, so see, a beautiful construction can be done. So see, we need to find out this particular, right, area. This is a rectangle. Okay, sorry, this is a triangle with this angle being 90 degree. Okay, so if we draw, suppose, and since we know this particular length, okay, if we do a construction, that is, we draw a perpendicular from here to here, right, like this. So see what happens in this case. This is a triangle, this is a right angle triangle as well. Okay, now the dimensions of this will be what? Since we know that this is a square, this particular thing, so this is 10, so this has to be 10 as well. So this length will be 10, and now we know that since this is a perpendicular to this side, that is the width 8, so this will be 8 as well, right? So we got this as 8. Now this is a right angle triangle, we know a triplet, that is 6 8 10. So if this is 8, this is 10, this is 8, this has to be 6, hence this is 6. Okay, now comes the interesting part. We have to think of a relation in between these two triangles. Can we do something? Okay, as I can see, we have one common angle over here. Okay, now think a little bit more. See, what we can do is, see, this is a line which is going parallel. Okay, these are the two lines which are going parallel. Okay, and these are the two lines I have extended it basically. Okay, like this it is going. Okay, you must have read in your like class 8 9 the about the transversal rule. Okay, the lines and the transversals. Okay, so if I draw it like this and if I draw it like this, okay, and these two are parallel. Okay, not this one, my bad. Let me shade and it will be better. I'll erase them. Okay, this is one such line, right? These are both these lines are parallel because these are sides of rectangle. This has to be parallel. Okay, now think of these transversals. These are the two transversals, right? Okay, so if you carefully observe, these are the two transversals, right, and these are the two parallel lines. So we know that this angle will be equal to this angle, right? This angle will be this equal to this angle because of the transversal rule. और if you are not able to remember this, see, ये एक लाइन है, ये एक लाइन है, ये तो इसके इक्वल होगा, तो सीधी सी बात है. एंड वी नो दैट दिस हैज़ टू बी इक्वल टू दिस. अगेन ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स और भी बेसिक आते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये एक एंगल हुआ. ओके, सपोज दिस इज थीटा. तो सिंस दिस इज कंप्लीट स्ट्रेट लाइन, लेट मी ड्रॉ इट ओवर हियर. ओके, लेट मी ड्रॉ दिस सिनेरियो. ये कुछ ऐसा सिनेरियो बना. ओके, बाकी सब चीज़ें भूल जाओ, बस ये लाइन ध्यान दो, ठीक है. इफ यू टेक दिस एंगल एज थीटा, दिस हैज़ टू बी 180 माइनस थीटा, लीनियर पेयर. ओके, नाउ these two also add up to 180 only. So this will be how much? This will be theta, then only we get 180 minus theta. And now we know again the same logic यहाँ लगाओ. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 180 minus theta, and this will be theta. Hence this angle equal to this angle. Okay, so if we suppose, now let me erase all this. Okay, now we erase all this stuff. So this angle is theta, so this angle can also be said to be theta, right? Now think of this triangle. We know this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, hence automatically this angle equals this angle, right? So this angle, if we suppose alpha, this is also alpha. We are done. Okay, say, so say these lengths, like sides, are ABC and this is AEM. Okay, now how do you find the similarity of the triangle? Start with the common angle. So the common angle is B. Sorry, all the three angles are equal, no? So here we have B, right, 90 degree, and here we have 90 degree E, so BE. Then we have alpha in A, alpha in here also we have A. Okay, so AA. Now theta is with M and theta is with C, so M and C. So BAM similar to EAC. Okay, so we can write, oh sorry, what we have written उल्टा लिख दिया, इसका लेके चल रहा है ना, लाइक BA का लेके चल रहा है तो C लिखेंगे यहाँ पे ना, और stupidity EAM. Okay, so we can write BAC similar to triangle EAM. Okay, triangle. So we can write BA by BC equal to EA by EM. Okay, why we have taken EM? Because देखो, this is a right angle triangle, this is 10. If we know this, we'll easily find out area. Okay, so BA is what? BA is 8. Okay, BC is 6, and this is EA is what? EA is 10, and EM is suppose EM only. Okay, so solving, what do we get? We get 3, we get 4, 30 by 4, 7.5. So EM comes out to be 7.5. Okay, now as I've already told you, area of common area, let me write common area, or basically region enclosed by both. Okay, this is equal to what? Area of square minus area of triangle AEM. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let me tell you again. Area of square is this complete part, right? And if we remove this upper part, if carefully observe this, so we get the common area to both. Okay, hence we are doing this. So area of square will be what? So the side is 10, so it will simply be 10 square, and AEM, so half of base is 7.5, and this is 10. Okay, so what do we get? 5, 7, 35, 37.5, 100 minus 37.5, 100 minus 37.5, that is 62.5 is the answer. So option B is the answer to this question. That's it.